Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, where I share with you the latest and coolest technologies that can make your life easier and more, more fun. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Moonvalley AI. It helps you to turn any text into a stunning video in minutes. Yes, you heard me right. You don't need any editing skills, any camera equipment, or any voice actors. So all you need is your imagination and some text. Oh, well, let me show you how it works and what you can do with it. Okay, let's start. First, open a browser and search the Moonvalley AI and click on the first link. You can see some of the example generated video and its prompt. Pretty cool, right? You can get an idea about what kind of videos you can generate with this tool. Okay, let's start creating. First, click on Try the Beta button, and it will redirect you to the Discord server, and click the Accept button. After joining the Discord bot, you can see 6 channels on the left side. You can choose any channel from the list. I have selected New Moon 6. You can see some videos that people created on that channel. To create a video, type the /create and it will appear at the top with some options. Click on it to get the detailed video output. You need to give all the information correctly. Here, I will show how to get detailed video output. First, in the prompt section, you need to write or paste your text that you want to turn into a video. And in the style section, you need to select the video style. I have select realism. Next, choose the duration of the video. You can choose low, medium, and long according to your need. It will also show some of the other options like images, camera, model version, negative prompt, and seed. In the model version, I am selecting V1. Next, in the camera section, select the camera motion of your video as you like. I am going to zoom out. I think it is a perfect choice for my video, and then click the Enter button. It takes some time to generate your video according to the video duration. Here is the output I generated. Wow, it's pretty and impressive. I love this video. I hope you too. Now I will show you how to generate a video using images. And it's not a complex task. It's the same as we generated before. Okay, let's try it. First, type /create and type the prompt, then choose the style as you like. I am going to generate fantasy style videos and then select the video duration. Like, next step is very important. So make sure to upload your images without fail. And choose the camera motion style and model version. In the negative prompt section, type the prompt that you don't need AI to generate for you. For example, double head, blur background, double eyes, double hand, and more. Let's add seed so that you will get a clear output. Now click Enter button, and now you can see the output video. Once you're happy with the result, you can download it. If you are confused about where your video is, then you can search the output video by typing the username in the search bar and select Mention User. Now you can see the output videos you generated in the right side of the Discord bot. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Moonvalley AI is truly a game changer for anyone who wants to create engaging and professional looking videos. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.